Okay, today I'm going to teach you how to use okra for a lot of things. Okra is very, very good. Have you seen what I'm talking about? This is okra. Yeah, so today I'm going to show you the health benefits of this okra. Some people do use it for making sauce, which is good, or soup, depending on the area you're watching me from. Yes, okra is very good for digestion. It is very good for people that always have constipation. It is also very good for weight management and also managing your cholesterol if your LDL do go high or is high. So how do we use it? Now already I have got some very simple and very easy. You get your okra, you wash, after washing, we have washed this, you remove the head. Even this head, when you collect them, don't pour them away, put in the container, put in the fridge. It can be used to make sauce or soup. So you just chop it, have you seen? Depending on the way you want to chop it. Some people will decide to do just like this is okay. Anyhow you chop it or you cut it is fine. And this is what I have here today. So look at it. This has been soaked since morning. If you like, you can soak overnight. If you like, you soak for a few hours, but it's always advisable to soak overnight so that the nutrients will discharge into the water properly. Yeah, so have you seen it now? You've seen how slippery it is. We just soaked this few hours ago. That is okra water. Have you seen it? This is okra water. So when you soak, the best time to use this, if you want to get good results, first thing in the morning, when the stomach is empty, it also helps in menstrual cramps. And ladies, let me shock you, it's very good for hormones. Very, very good for hormones. Yeah, so you take it first thing in the morning before taking anything. When you take it, allow it to sit in the body like 10-15 minutes before you eat anything. Okay, thank you for watching, and please keep connecting people to this platform so that we will learn how to be healthy, how to live healthy, have the best of the day. Thank you. Like, comment. Any question, please send on the platform. We do answer questions. Okay, thank you for joining me once again.